He seems angry about something.
He seems angry about something.
She looks sad and disappointed.
She looks sad and disappointed.
My mother is very kind.
My mother is very kind.
I love spending time with Dad.
I love spending time with Dad.
My neighbor is very helpful.
My neighbor is very helpful.
I care about my loved ones.
I care about my loved ones.
I am scared of loud noises.
I am scared of loud noises.
He feels jealous of his brother.
He feels jealous of his brother.
She is cooking dinner tonight.
She is cooking dinner tonight.
The soup tastes delicious.
The soup tastes delicious.
My family makes me feel safe.
My family makes me feel safe.
I respect my elder relatives.
I respect my elder relatives.
I am worried about my friend.
I am worried about my friend.
I am excited about the party.
I am excited about the party.
I am hungry for some pizza.
I am hungry for some pizza.
He drinks coffee every morning.
He drinks coffee every morning.
My sister helps me with homework.
My sister helps me with homework.
My brother is taller than me.
My brother is taller than me.
I am looking for my keys.
I am looking for my keys.
The phone is ringing loudly.
The phone is ringing loudly.
She looks embarrassed by her mistake.
She looks embarrassed by her mistake.
I feel grateful for your help.
I feel grateful for your help.
I am thirsty for cold water.
I am thirsty for cold water.
He enjoys spicy food very much.
He enjoys spicy food very much.
I am turning on the lights.
I am turning on the lights.
The water is too hot.
The water is too hot.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
I am setting my alarm clock.
I am setting my alarm clock.
I am relieved. The test is over.
I am relieved the test is over.
She looks cheerful this morning.
She looks cheerful this morning.
I am waiting for the bus.
I am waiting for the bus.
The store closes at 9.
The store closes at 9.
I need to pay the bill.
I need to pay the bill.
The package arrived this morning.
The package arrived this morning.
I am bored with this television show.
I am bored with this television show.
He feels guilty about lying.
He feels guilty about lying.
The ice cream is melting quickly.
The ice cream is melting quickly.
I always eat breakfast at home.
I always eat breakfast at home.
I trust my friend completely.
I trust my friend completely.
We support each other always.
We support each other always.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
She feels nervous before the exam.
She feels nervous before the exam.
I am saving room for dessert.
I am saving room for dessert.
He is washing the dishes now.
He is washing the dishes now.
I have a close relationship with my aunt.
I have a close relationship with my aunt.
My uncle is funny and cheerful.
My uncle is funny and cheerful.
The price is too expensive.
The price is too expensive.
I need to save more money.
I need to save more money.
I feel calm and peaceful.
I feel calm and peaceful.
She seems stressed about deadlines.
She seems stressed about deadlines.
I love eating chocolate cake.
I love eating chocolate cake.
The bread smells fresh and warm.
The bread smells fresh and warm.
My parents work very hard.
My parents work very hard.
My cousin lives far away.
My cousin lives far away.
He looks surprised by the news.
He looks surprised by the news.
I feel proud of my achievement.
I feel proud of my achievement.
She seems confused about the directions.
She seems confused about the directions.
I am disappointed with the results.
I am disappointed with the results.
I am booking an appointment.
I am booking an appointment.
The computer is running slowly.
The computer is running slowly.
I need to fix this problem.
I need to fix this problem.
The medicine helps me feel better.
The medicine helps me feel better.
I am learning something new today.
I am learning something new today.
Grandma tells the best stories.
Grandma tells the best stories.
Grandpa taught me to fish.
Grandpa taught me to fish.
I miss my family when traveling.
I miss my family when traveling.
We solve problems together as a team.
We solve problems together as a team.
I am grateful for my family's love.
I am grateful for my family's love.
My friends make me laugh often.
My friends make me laugh often.
I need to check the weather.
I need to check the weather.
The apple is sweet and juicy.
The apple is sweet and juicy.
I need to buy some groceries.
I need to buy some groceries.
She is cutting vegetables carefully.
She is cutting vegetables carefully.
She is baking cookies for us.
She's baking cookies for us.
The salad looks healthy and colorful.
The salad looks healthy and colorful.
I cannot eat nuts because of allergies.
I cannot eat nuts because of allergies.
He is grilling meat on the barbecue.
He is grilling meat on the barbecue.
The fruit is ripe and ready.
The fruit is ripe and ready.
I prefer tea over coffee.
I prefer tea over coffee.
She is setting the dinner table.
She is setting the dinner table.
The fish tastes fresh from the ocean.
The fish tastes fresh from the ocean.
The restaurant serves excellent food.
The restaurant serves excellent food.
I like to try new recipes.
I like to try new recipes.
We have family dinner every Sunday.
We have family dinner every Sunday.
My best friend understands me well.
My best friend understands me well.
My friend and I share secrets.
My friend and I share secrets.
I enjoy playing with my pet.
I enjoy playing with my pet.
We celebrate birthdays together.
We celebrate birthdays together.
I must remember to call back.
I must remember to call back.
The door is locked securely.
The door is locked securely.
The window is open wide.
The window is open wide.
The traffic is heavy today.
The traffic is heavy today.
The meeting starts in 10 minutes.
The meeting starts in 10 minutes.
I am planning my weekend activities.
I am planning my weekend activities.
He seems frustrated with the problem.
He seems frustrated with the problem.
I am curious about that book.
I am curious about that book.
She feels lonely without her friends.
She feels lonely without her friends.
I am amazed by the beautiful view.
I am amazed by the beautiful view.
He looks tired after work.
He looks tired after work.